Now the last part of this is to add the 5th degree of the scale, which is going to make the triad. Okay, the triad is a 3-note chord, and C major, C, E, G is the most basic triad, most popular chord in the history of the world. So if we look, this is a major third. This is also a third, but let's count 0, 1, 2, 3. It's only 1, 2, 3 half steps when we think about the top number system of half steps. It's only 3 half steps away. Okay? This is a minor third. So a triad, it consists of a major third on the bottom and a minor third on the top. And that's super important. Let's move it up to the key of D. We already know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp is the 3rd degree. And now we want to add the 5th. Well, there's 2 ways to think about it. If we're going to think about the D major scale, we can just count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and know that this is the 5th degree. And that's kind of basically it, because most of the fifths all follow that same basic pattern. Where it gets a little funky is over here, the B flat to the F, because it's black to white, and B to F sharp because it's white to black. Everything else is white to white, black to black, white to white, black to black, white to white, white to white, black to black, white to white, black to black, white to white. Okay? Then, like I said, B flat. Those last 2 are different. The 5th is kind of a given, and we usually are only counting up using the atomic formula to find out the 3rd degree, what makes a major third or a minor third. However, it's nice to know that you can check the distance between the middle note to the 5th, because it's a minor third. Let's apply it to some other keys just to make it make sense. So how about the key of E flat? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the major third. And now we want to find out the minor third from here. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the E flat major triad. Let's find out what the major triad is starting on F sharp. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is an F sharp major triad. How about let's start on B. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the major third. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the B major triad. How about starting on G? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here's G major. Start on B flat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. B flat major triad. C sharp. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Look at the picture. Listen to the sound. And we discovered it because we counted the intervals. D flat, F, A flat. Now there's actually another way that you can think about this as well. What is the atomic makeup of the 5th degree? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's 7 half steps in between a perfect fifth. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, there's a lot of different ways to think about it. Maybe you might prefer that way better. Let's do it on some more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D major. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A major. Look at the picture, listen to the sound. These are the notes, these are the intervals. Major third, minor third. 4 half steps between the major third, 3 half steps between the minor third, 7 half steps between the perfect fifth. Really, really digging in and examining it from every different angle. A couple more. A flat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A flat major. I think this is actually the easiest to think about it like this. E. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Even if you don't know that the key of E major has 4 sharps, you could be a complete beginner and not know that E major has 4 sharps. Yet, if you count up the half steps, you'll figure out what the major triad should be. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's that simple. Let's keep going. G major. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G major triad. Look at that, folks. I feel like I'm the guy selling OxyClean here. E flat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E flat major, folks. Come on. No one has ever made this so simple before. C sharp. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C sharp major triad. It doesn't get any easier than that. You don't have to know any key signatures or none of that. Just count the intervals. These are all the major triads if you use this simple formula. That's it. I hope you guys think that this is helpful because it is the key to everything. You can gain so much knowledge. You can understand and make sure that all the pictures, this is the V, are correct. This is the mountain of the D major triad. This is how all these things relate. So I hope you're starting to gain insight into the many different ways that the brain can work and put all this information together. This is my little hack after all my years of training to really simplify it, that all you need to know is to figure out the half steps. When you know the half steps, you can figure everything else out super quick. So I hope this helps.